Alright, and here, this particular light here, we have an example of the Venue Thin Par 64. And it casts some nice light up the wall. This is the Musician's Friend's equivalent to the Chauvet product. And so then we turn on some lights here. And you'll see that the beam is still visible up the wall. It fades out a little bit, but then you get a nice spot of light on the ceiling. And then over here, we just have a generic, it's a Blizzard puck style lighting. And you'll notice the beam is still visible with the lights on, but it's not quite as robust as the Venue Thin Par 64. And when you dim the lights, it's still a little bit apparent that you get lower output from the generic Blizzard puck style lighting than you do from the Musician's Friend brand, the Venue Thin Par 64. There's just a slight difference in the lighting output, but if you go ahead and alternate the lights, you should get a nice even look throughout the room.